And he is going toward downtown, I'm sorry, away from downtown, toward 46, making a left.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Shots fired, Lake! Shots fired!
I'm in the traffic in the opposite lane, crossing back over, headed toward downtown.
Lake, Eagle 1, be quiet, hold on. Lake, shots fired. He shot at me again by the cemetery.
That's the meeting now. Holding the traffic about behind the cemetery.
He was shooting at me in front of the cemetery. We're still southbound coming up towards downtown Mount Dora. It's a white male, looked like a black handgun.
Copy, shots fired.
Please say a command.
Shots fired, shots fired. Every EMS en route, shots fired, stand by. 10-4. What's your call fired? Shots fired, shots fired.
Try saying the device name like phone or USB. Main menu. Say command.
Crash your side. He's out on the ground, hands on his head. Hold it.
Signal 4. Signal 4. Let me see you. Let me see your fucking hand! Let me see your hand! Lake, shots fire, Lake! Lake, call the EMS! We're at the intersection of 9th. Turn around! Handcuff him on! I'll get medics! We're good! Get medics! Gloves! Lake to signal 14, he crashed into a building, starts shooting, and my car's been hit. Sending us the EMS. Who's hit? No, I was shot at and I hit him. Tourniquets in here? There might be one in there. I'll drop that quick clot and shit too. I don't know if he's quick clot. We need to roll him over. He shot at me. Gas on him. Roll over, let's check his chest. Hey. Cop. Okay, good. You're fine. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh my God, it hurts so bad. See.
in my car. There's an IFAC on the passenger side with scissors. Okay? One, two, three.
Got anything in the chest? Fuck, I got one on me. Yeah. We're not gonna be able to get that one high. We need to put a package on it.
You're not gonna die. You're not gonna die.
We got any tape or wrap? You got that wrap? What do we got here in his neck? That's coming from his chin.
He's fine now.
Can you wipe it clean? Wipe his neck clean.
Open up those gauze pads for me.
Strip his pants.
Put apply pressure on his chin.
Yep.
It looks like you got another one right there to the left shoulder.
10-4.
Right here, Chief, in my IFAC, right here.
You're fine. Do you have another gauze, Rice?
I got a bunch of shit in here.
I think he's bleeding right there. I'm holding this one. Well, you're gonna be fine, Bob. I'm holding this one.
Got it. Put your legs straight. Got it.
Okay.
You got anything else? Probably nothing.
He's
Leg.
good, he's
One
good.
right here.
Okay.
One right here, bottom leg. That's not in there.
Oh.
Let's get some packing on it. Yeah, just pack it. Here. See if you can pack it right here.
Talking to me. What's your name? Jonathan?
Here. No, put this under it. Oh, fuck. That's a chest wound.
That's okay. We'll just apply pressure.
There you go.
Something about you. You got any family?
We'll just wrap the shit out of it.
You do? You got any kids?
He's the
How many kids
shooter.
you got, Jonathan?
He shot at
You don't got any kids?
He came out of the car, threw the gun by that tree.
The second one in the glove box.
I did not return fire. You guys all good? You good?
Yeah, shot through my windshield.
But you're not hit though. But you're not hit.
18. Stay still. Stay still. I'm holding this. Okay?
Fuck.
It's gonna hurt. Bob.
Sorry.
I got a med kit for 2 lives if you want it.
Like, let him know it's going to be a trauma alert for sure. He has a gunshot wound to the neck.
No, that's just abrasion. That's just abrasion.
There's definitely something.
Only ones we got is shoulder, legs.
What's this one?
This so much pain. Got 2 in the shoulder.
It could be worse. Hey, just relax.
One out to the neck.
Relax.
Shoulders.
Hey,
And then
what's your
some
name?
injuries from the crash.
You're fine. It's your lucky day. Okay?
We got any more wrap?
You're fine. You're fine.
Hey, stop moving your leg. Where are you looking?
Right there. My arm hurts.
Here?
Got shot.
No shit. You want more stuffing?
Oh no, that one's good. I want to try to wrap that.
Get some gloves on. Go get some gloves.
I have them right here.
Hey, I got some extra gloves on me.
Everybody accounted
How many passengers did you have?
Oh, well, I didn't see any.
I had
Okay,
none
no
on my
passengers.
side. This is your shooter. When he exited,
But
he tossed
only
the
one.
gun over
Only
there.
one.
Just one.
Only one occupant.
Stop. Hey, stop.
I'm paralyzed, bro.
Hey,
No.
Moving your leg.
No.
listen to me.
You're moving.
Calm down.
Can't even let the arm. I'm dying,
Because you're in handcuffs. You're not down. I'm going to put a tourniquet on. We're here to help you. Just relax.
Please, just get me out of here.
Relax.
Just relax, dude.
Okay? You're going to be okay.
You need to calm your heart down, slow your breathing down to keep your blood from pumping.
Can I change? Can I go on my stomach?
Stay right here. Hey, stop. Stop.
Are you okay?
You're going to be okay. All right. You're okay. We're
Leave it.
okay.
Hey, leave everything the way it is.
Yeah, leave everything the way it is.
You're going to be okay. You're going to be okay. Hey.
This is kind of a crap.
Everybody in the car?
Huh? No, he's the only one.
You sure?
No, you don't.
Yeah.
We're gonna save you today.
I hope.
Who we are.
I think you guys are gonna kill me today.
This is really...
Adriano? It's really not gonna work.
Can you guys take over? I'm going to go.
Can you guys just make sure that's the gun that he exited and tossed? Make sure that doesn't walk away. There's also a 38 in the floorboard right there where his clothes are at.
I can't believe it. Oh, I might have gone through and through. Hey, can we check him one more time in the back to see, make sure everything went through and through?
Roll towards me. We're just going to check your back.
I'll hold this.
Okay?
I'm holding. You're holding.
Okay, back's clear. What's that from his neck? That's shard. Shrapnel.
Okay. All right, back's clear. Hold on. Wait.
He's one and a half. Okay.
All right, just going to roll you back, okay? You're just going to relax.
Oh, we did.
You did? Okay.
Yeah, because I'm
Okay.
Okay, 2 here, 1 in the leg, 1 in the ass, and maybe glass, shrapnel, anything chunks in the chin, and 1 in the back of the neck. Okay. All I do is just try to pack this. I was going to tape it tight. That's only packed. I'm getting out.